Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the tarball with exercises for Kebnekaise, which is an HPC cluster maintained by HPC2N, and HPC2N is one of the many centers that teach in the course HPC Python. To do this procedure, I follow this procedure. So, step 1. If there is a project folder, navigate to your project folder. So let's take a look. So we use Kebnekaise. They definitely use project folders. The question is, where is it? So, where is it? Well, there's an overview here to find out where they are. So I put this in a separate tab and take a look at the project folder name. So I go to this tab now, and here I see Kebnekaise has this folder, and apparently that is that's a project name, but this is the folder name. So I'm going to copy paste this already, put it in my clipboard, copy there, so I have it. And then I need on Kebnekaise go to that folder. Well, that's a CD and then it. So for Kebnekaise it will be this. I can just also copy paste this entire command, Control copy. There. I go now to the terminal. I put this. I go to the terminal now. I paste this command. I run enter, and I have done it. So I'm going to put this terminal now at the right, and the documentation at the left, and then I move on to the next step. If there's a project folder, create a folder for yourself. So to do that is mkdir, make dir, and my name is Richel, so I make dir Richel. There, I've done it. I got a no error, so it worked. And the answer is make dir Sven. This is an example user. If there's a project folder, well, that's what we're working in now. Navigate inside that folder. Into Sven. So I go into CD Richel, and now I'm into my folder called Richel. Step 4. Get the tarball. Well, let's copy paste this. We paste it here, enter, and now we have the tarball. Now I need to uncompress it. Sure, let's copy paste this again. And now we have it uncompressed. And now we can navigate to a folder of the day. Well, at the moment there are no such folders. I do see here that we can do CD capital E exercise, and with tab and auto. If you press tab, it auto completes. You can go into examples with a small lowercase e, and then I can see already the results for example, HPC2N. That's what we're on now. And these are the scripts I can use here on Kebnekaise. If I want to take a sneak peek, I do cat and then the name of that script, and here we see what this script is doing. But that's beyond the point of this exercise. We already extracted the tarball. We have used the tarball with the exercises on Kebnekaise, and this means I'm going to wish you a very good day. Bye!